What's up, y'all? It's me, Foreva Lane, back with another video. I'm about to get into this eyebrow routine. Finally, I know y'all been waiting, y'all been requesting, so I'm about to show y'all how I get it done. To do this eyebrow routine exactly how I do it, you will need LA Girl Pro Concealer in your shade. My shade is medium beige. A eyebrow brush or spoolie or both. This is a spoolie. This is a spoolie, by the way. Your eyebrow pencil or gel or whatever type of thingy thing you use to fill in your eyebrows. Today I'll be using Anastasia's Beverly Hills Brow Definer in the color Ebony. Last but not least, a ear swab, Q-tip, whatever you want to call it. So first you want to make sure nothing's in your face. As you can see, there's something in my face. So I'm going to take my handy dandy clip and just clip that on out of my face like that. My forehead is y'all like protruding now, but whatever. Brush that thing, smooth it out. You want all your hairs to lay down flat. Now we're gonna go in with our eyebrow pencil and outline it. Go to the other one and do the same. So this is how your outline will look. Now you want to go in with your brush or spoolie. Now I'm going to use my spoolie because I want to. And just blend the lines in with your eyebrow hair. Blend the outline in with your eyebrow hair. And that basically, what that does is it basically fills in your eyebrow for you. But sometimes you still will see like little spots and you're like, oh, you might need to go in and actually fill that in. Like over here, I see skin in my eyebrow. And you don't want to see any skin. You want it to look like a full filled in eyebrow. So I'm gonna go and do it like this, fill it in a little bit. Right here, fill it in a little bit. Alright, so now I have two filled in eyebrows. I'm doing them dark right now, but the shade of them, it depends on your liking. Like sometimes I feel like doing them kind of dark. Sometimes I like them to be very natural looking. But, you know, I want to show you guys like a very blunt look and a very defined look. So I'm going to do them a little darker than natural. But they're still going to look pretty natural. I never want anything that looks crazy or you know, like mannish. Okay, I think they're pretty brushed out good or whatever. So now I'm gonna go in with my concealer and basically I like to, mine has like a brush on the bottom of it. If you don't have a brush on the bottom, use a angled makeup brush. But I just use the brush that's on here, and I'm going to make sure that it's evenly, the product is evenly distributed on the brush. And I'm gonna go and outline the eyebrow again, but this time on the outer skirts of the eyebrow. And this is what I do for my eyebrows. Some people go all the way right here to outline it. I just do the arch in the end because I don't like how it looks shadowy. Like, I don't like lining on my whole eyebrow. It just looks like, it's just not a look that I like. I don't know. So I'm gonna go in on these arch. And I said, don't worry about if you mess up because this concealer is like, it's like your eraser basically. Whatever you mess up, you can conceal it. And the concealer also allows you to make your eyebrow as thick or as skinny as you want it. I'm going for the full look right now. I'm going to outline the other eyebrow as well. Another thing is your eyebrows don't have to look exactly the same. My auntie always says as long as they look like cousins. They don't gotta look like twins, but they gotta look like cousins. So we gonna have some cousins on my face, okay? That sounded real interesting. But okay, I'm gonna get to blending with my Q-tip. I blend in a downward and upward motion when I get to the top. So right now I'm blending downward. And some people like that shadow around the eyebrow with concealer. Me, I blend mine till you can't see it because it's just like, it's not natural enough for me. Like, I need a natural look. I don't want people to know that my eyebrows are kind of filled in, you know? I want them to be like, dang girl, you got some good eyebrows. And then I'll be like, thank you, that type of stuff. So, but if you ask me like, are those your eyebrows, I'm gonna be humble and be like, they my eyebrows, but I feel them in occasionally. Right now they feel it. So yeah, but let's get to blending at the top. So now we blend upward. And as I do each eyebrow, I use the opposite end of the Q-tip for the next eyebrow. So I also, because I see a little too much shadowy, see it? Like I just can't stand when it's like defined shadow eyebrow. I take my finger and blend it out some more, making sure I don't actually touch the eyebrow, just around it. And then also I find that doing this method, make sure that you don't have like the ghost look when you take pictures. Now I'm going to go in with my spoolie and blend it out a little bit more. This is how I do my eyebrows. I find that the thicker my eyebrows are, the less my forehead really protrudes too. So that's why I like to do them thick. I don't know if that's the same for anybody else, but for me, the thicker they are, I feel like my forehead is smaller. So that concludes this routine. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, DM me pictures of you completing my routine, and have a blessed one.